Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. This is my go-to secret for removing laundry stains. This OxiClean Maxi Forced 5-in-1 power remover has been a lifesaver. One of the things that I really like to use this for is that my husband, when he wears his dress shirts, he gets around the collars, he gets a ring or the dirty stain. It has made it so much easier to clean his shirts. So all I have to do is just spray them down, let them sit for a second, maybe just agitate it a bit, throw them into the wash, and when they come out, the collars are so clean and white. I don't even have to worry about scrubbing really hard. It's also been really great on other stains. My husband sometimes has to do some kind of mechanicking. He'll get spots or stains on a shirt. All I have to do is just spray it on, let it soak, and then wash it, and then the stains come right out. So if you are ready to switch to the easy solution to remove stains, I really like this. It's made it so much easier. And who doesn't want to make laundry doing easier? That is just my point of view.